NutriCalc is packed full of features that help you calculate accurate nutrition information for your recipes quickly and easily. One of our key features is the ability to adjust for cook losses, and in this video, we'll show you how to add cook loss to a recipe. From the Recipe Center, we can search for or select a recipe we've previously saved. In this case, we're going to be applying a cook loss to our butter biscuit recipe. If you haven't already seen our video on how to create a recipe, you can do so in the video linked here. Having opened our recipe, the cook loss data can be found here in the Details tab. As you can see, there are 3 ways to enter a cook loss depending on the information available to you. Option 1 allows you to enter the known percentage weight loss of your product. For example, you can simply enter 10% for our biscuit recipe, and NutriCalc will adjust the nutrition accordingly. Option 2 will calculate the percentage weight loss for you from the start and final weight of the product. This can be a batch weight or a portion weight, and in this case, we'll enter the dough batch weight and the final cooked and cooled weight. Note that it's important to weigh your product after it's cooled down and not straight from the oven. Option 3 is for entering the final moisture of your product if this is what you aim for. This is particularly useful for dried foods, crackers, biscuits, etc. All we need to do is save the recipe for the cook loss to be applied. We can now see the updated nutrition information in the nutrition report. It's as simple as that. For further information about NutriCalc and more in-depth tutorials, visit our help pages, watch our other videos, and sign up for your free 7-day trial, so you can see for yourself why we're trusted by thousands of nutrition professionals.